Hello everyone. We, the teachers of St. Paul High School, extend our warm wishes on the beginning of new academic year. We hope that you all are happy and safe at your home and missing your school too. As you all know that corona pandemic has made a global impact in past few months and continued to hit most of the sectors including education. So let us understand what is COVID-19 and how does it spread.
A virus is really just a hull around genetic material and a few proteins, arguably not even a living thing. It can only make more of itself by entering a living cells. Corona may spread via surfaces, but still uncertain how long it can survive on them. Its main way of spreading seems to be droplets, infection when people cough, or if you touch someone who is ill and then your face, say rubbing your eyes or nose. The virus starts its journey here and then hitches a ride as a stowaway deeper into the body. Its destination are the intestines, the spleens, or the lungs, where it can have the most dramatic effects. Even just a few coronaviruses can cause quite a dramatic situation. The lungs are lined with billions of epithelial cells. These cells are the border cells of your body lining your organs and mucosa waiting to be infected. Corona connects to a specific receptor on its victim's membrane to infect its genetic material. The cell, ignorant of what's happening, execute the new instructions, which are pretty simple: copy and reassemble. It fills up with more and more copies of the original virus until it reaches a critical point and receives one final order: self-destruction. The cell sorts of melts away, releasing new corona particles ready to attack more cells. The number of infected cells grows rapidly. After about 10 days, millions of body cells are infected and billions of viruses swarm the lungs. The virus has not caused too much damage yet, but corona is now going to release a real beast on you, which is your own immunity system. The immunity system, while there to protect you, can actually be very dangerous to yourself and needs right regulation. And as immune cells pour into the lungs to fight the virus, corona infects some of them and creates confusion. Cells have neither eyes nor ears. They communicate mostly via tiny information proteins called cytokines. Nearly every important immune reaction is controlled by them. Corona caused infected immune cells to overreact and yell bloody murder. In a sense, it puts the immune system into the fighting frenzy and sends way more soldiers than it should, wasting its resources and causing damage. So, students, there are certain do's and don'ts we all should follow to keep ourselves safe from deadly virus COVID 19. Since we don't have a vaccine for corona, we have to socially engineer our behavior to act like a social vaccine. This simply means two things. Number one, not getting infected, and number two, not infecting others. Although it sounds trivial, the very best thing you can do is to wash your hands. The soap is actually a powerful tool. The coronavirus is encased in what is basically a layer of fat. Soap breaks that fat apart and leaves it unable to infect you. It also makes your hands slippery, and with the mechanical motion of washing, viruses are ripped away. To do it properly, wash your hands as if you have just cut up some jalapenos and want to put in your contact lenses next. The next thing is social distancing, which is not a nice experience, but a nice thing to do. This means no hugging, no handshakes. You can stay at home to protect those who need to be out for society to function, from doctors to cashiers or police officers. You can depend on all of them. They all depend on you to not get sick. On a large level, there are quarantines, which can mean different things, from travel restrictions or actual order to stay at home. Quarantines are not great to experience and certainly not popular. But they, by us and especially the researchers working on medication and vaccines, crucial time. So, if you are put under quarantine, you should understand why and respect it. None of this is a fun, but looking at the big picture, it is really small price to pay.
As we all are at home since months, our fast moving life has come to a standstill, creating an anxiety in all of us. So, let us all utilize this time productively, though being at home through virtual class learning. Virtual class. Yes, our school supports virtual class learning. Do you know the reason why? Yes, due to deadliest virus corona, COVID-19 has become pandemic. Student, with the above reason, the most essential one is education is important. Yes, education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Due to this pandemic, classrooms are empty. Whatever may be the reason, we cannot at any cost make the future blank, because education is the key to a successful future. That is why St. Paul's are always with the changing world. We begin with informal education or virtual classes for you, as it is the need of an hour. School will stream video tutorials of all the subjects on the school link. With uploading of videos, you will also be engaged in lot of activities, worksheets, homework and assignments. We welcome you all to join the virtual class learning and continue your education, even if it is from home. We pray and hope the pandemic settles soon and we just change our location from home to school with continuity.
Children, it is normal to feel depressed, scared, or angry during a crisis. While sanitizers, disinfectants, and masks may keep the coronavirus infection at bay, but it's our calm mind that will fight the feeling of anxiety and stress during such times. Here are some tips to manage anxiety and stress during this crisis. First of all, very important, take care of your body. Eat healthy food. Exercise regularly. Get plenty of good sleep. Take deep breaths, stretch or meditate. Stay connected with your family and friends. Spend less time watching TV and on social media. Be active. Do some activities which you enjoy, like reading, drawing, playing indoor games, etc. Remember, children, this pandemic will eventually pass and life will move on.
Dear students, it's a joint effort of teachers and students to put their best foot forward to uphold the value of education. Children, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned with St. Paul High School virtual teaching modules. Let us join our hands and take a pledge that
सदा दूर रहो इस कोरोना की परछाइयों से, सदा दूर रहो इस कोरोना की परछाइयों से, सामना ना हो कभी इस कोरोना का आपसे, यही दुआ है दिल की गहराइयों से.
Children, nothing in life is to be feared. It's only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less.
कोरोना एक अशी शर्यत जिथं धावणारा नाही, थांबणारा जिंकेल. काळ कसोटीचा आहे, पण कसोटीला सांगा वारसा संघर्षाचा आहे. स्वतःची व परिवाराची काळजी घ्या.